Hey guys, I just picked up this toolbox kit from Walmart. It's made by Jimmy's Workshop. Not sure who this Jimmy guy is, but it sounds like another way to get kids to play irresponsibly with power tools. Sounds like an easy project for me though, so let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, all the pieces seem to be laid out on these two sheets. That looks pretty good. What do we got to do? Step 1, use a small saw, cut the tabs to free all the pieces from the sheet. Okay, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. 48 tabs. Who's got time for that? This is starting to look like a lot of work.
Allow me, sir.
Great idea, Rosie. You can cut the tabs for me. And while you're at it, can you fancy it up just a little bit for me?
Never fear while Rosie's here.
Okay, while she's doing that, I'm going to go see if I can find the Tight Bond 3. You did a great job, Rosie. Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Aw, dang. I sanded off the veneer. Do you think I can convince anybody I did this on purpose?
I bet you could if you tried real hard.
I meant to do this. Really. Okay, moving forward. I guess I'll sand off the rest so it looks intentional. Okay, well, that was a lot of sanding, but I got the veneer off and the glue layer, and looks good as new. So, let's see if I can get this thing assembled. I think I really did a good job on this one. I definitely nailed this walnut inlay.
Quiet down, Shorty.
Easy there, Rosie. Everybody knows you did all the work. Don't worry. All the people love you.
And I love you people, too.
So the backstory on this project, it started with Jimmy on the Making It podcast when he said,
if anybody gets it and they have a creative way of cutting the tabs, share that with me, tag me, and we'll put it on the Instagram account so people could see the various ways of cutting the tabs.
and I obviously needed to do something unique, and the collaboration with Rosie is where I ended up. To pull it off, I took a top-down photo of each sheet and imported them into Fusion as a canvas. After drawing the sheet outline, I added a rectangle 1.25 by 0.127 inches. I measured the distance to the tab up and over from the corner, and dimensioned the rectangle to the nearest 16th of an inch. Then I did it 47 more times. After extruding the sheet, I created a pocket toolpath for an 1/8 inch end mill. Rosie did the rest. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and if you'd like to help support me as an artist, visit patreon.com/aweirdguy. Thanks.